Lockout-tagout procedures ensure that machines are completely powered down and cannot be restarted while maintenance or repairs are being performed. This prevents accidental activation, which could lead to severe injuries or fatalities. Compliance with lockout-tagout procedures is not just a best practice, it's a regulatory requirement designed to protect workers and ensure a safe working environment. Lockout-tagout involves isolating energy sources and securing them with locks or tags to ensure that they remain in a safe or off position during maintenance. Here are some important terms you will encounter. Those who have the training and authority to lock out or tag out machinery are called authorized employees. Workers whose job requires them to operate or use equipment that may be locked out or tagged out are called affected employees. Those who may be in the area and need to be aware of lockout-tagout procedures but do not perform them are called other employees.